Hi there! Welcome to another one of our tutorial videos. Today we will be discussing SyncriBox, what it is and how to use it. I'm sure you've already heard of services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive. SyncriBox is a similar service with one big difference. While you can sync and share files, your files will always stay private and no third party will ever have access to them. In other words, SyncriBox is a private cloud solution. Your files are guaranteed to stay 100% private and secure because they are stored on the SyncriBox server, which only you have access to. SyncriBox offers two great benefits. The first is you can synchronize folders between all PCs where SyncriBox is installed. The second is you can send and receive files privately with business colleagues regardless of if they have SyncriBox or SyncriBox installed. SyncriBox is an extension of SyncriBox. During this tutorial, we are going to assume that you already have SyncriBox installed. If you are not sure on how to configure or install SyncriBox or SyncriBox, we have a tutorial video that will help you through this process. After the installation process is finished, the configuration screen will be displayed. Here you will need to enter three things: the server URL that belongs to the SyncriBox server which is installed on your network, then your login ID and password. Everything else will be configured automatically. The folder you see here is where all of your synchronized files will be stored. After you have finished entering this information, you will want to test your connection from SyncriBox to the SyncriBox server. To do this, just click Test. Once the configuration has been completed, SyncriBox will automatically start syncing your files. Each file is encrypted with a system-generated key that is unique to every installation, ensuring maximum security. You will also be able to access your files from any location as long as you are using a device with internet access. Now let me show you what you can do with SyncriBox. You can find SyncriBox running in your taskbar menu. Right-click on the green icon and the following menu will be displayed: Open, Send and Receive Files, Configure, and Exit. By clicking the Open option, you can open a designated folder that is synchronized between multiple devices belonging to you. Let's assume I want to send a file to my business colleague, John Smith, but the file is too large to send through email. I can send this file through SyncriBox by clicking on the Send and Receive Files option. To send the files to John, I will put his name and email address in the following fields. To make the file sharing even more secure, I can designate a password John will use to open the file, as well as set an expiration date on the file I am sharing. Then I will drag and drop the important documents I wish to share in this box and click Send. John will then be emailed a link where he can download the files I have shared. Similarly, if John wishes to send me a file, he can. All I will need to do is change this option from Send to Receive, then click Send. A link will be sent to John's email where he can upload his documents he wishes to share. Once John sends his file, I will receive an email containing a download link with the files John wanted to share. If you wish to send files manually, uncheck the Send email box. Drop the file in this box and click Send. A URL will be created that you can share manually. Although we have already shown you how to configure SyncriBox, if you wish to change any settings that were designated in the beginning, click the Configuration option. Here you can drag and drop additional folders you wish to be synced between your devices. This concludes today's tutorial on SyncriBox. Thank you for watching.